In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio in Notion for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to revamp your online presence, or a student trying to create an impressive showcase of your work, creating a portfolio in Notion is an effective approach. This powerful platform can house your work elegantly and dynamically. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected workspace in Notion. If you're new to Notion, it's a versatile workspace tool that allows you to incorporate wikis, docs, and projects all in one place. If you're already using Notion, this should feel like familiar territory. Simply fire up your favorite web browser and head to the Notion website. Once on the Notion homepage, you'll need to log in to access your account. On the main screen, there should be a login button prominently displayed. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your login credentials. If you're new, feel free to create an account if you haven't done so yet. It's quick and will unlock the full potential of Notion's features for you. Now that you're logged in, go to your Notion home. This is where all your projects and documentation are parked. It serves as a control center for your work. If you've already set up other aspects of your personal or professional life here, everything will be waiting for you. Otherwise, the Notion home is a blank slate ready to be personalized. Our next step is to search for portfolio templates within Notion. This is where the magic truly begins. Using the search bar, type Portfolio to explore the rich catalog of templates available. Notion provides a variety of customizable templates tailored for different purposes, whether for creative portfolios, professional showcases, or personal projects. After exploring, pick a portfolio template that suits your style and needs. Notion templates are designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, offering a professional polish to any type of content you wish to display. Once you've found a template that aligns with your vision, select it. You'll see an option to add the selected template to your workspace. Click on Add to start modifying it according to your needs. This step is crucial as it allows you to edit text, insert images, and tweak the design to fit your personal brand or business aesthetic. Notion's interface is intuitive, so don't be afraid to experiment with different components. By following these steps, you can create a stunning portfolio in Notion in just a few minutes. Remember, your portfolio is your digital representation, so take the time to ensure that it reflects your identity and professional achievements. Thanks for watching, and enjoy showcasing your work in Notion.